all. In this video, I will tell you about how to integrate Jenkins with the TestNG and how to run a continuous integration build via Jenkins and integrating Jenkins with Selenium. So there are certain steps that you need to follow. I will just give a very brief introduction of those steps. First of all, you need to download Jenkins from this particular site. So I will just copy from here, paste it on my Google Chrome and just click it over here. And this is the official site of Jenkins, and you can download Jenkins from there. So when this site will be open, I will share from where you need to download. You need to download this from latest WAR file, and I have already downloaded this latest WAR file, and you can see over there. And now I will open command prompt and go to the location where this WAR file is located. My Jenkins WAR file is located over here, so I will just click over here and copy the path and go to command prompt and change my directory to this particular path, and I will start Jenkins by giving a command java -jar Jenkins .var. It will take some time to start. Let's wait for that time. Jenkins by default run on 8080 pool in your local host. So once this job has been done, we will go to localhost 8080 port, and by clicking on it, we will be opening the Jenkins homepage in our computer. When the job will be done, I will type over here localhost 8080 host 8080 and click on enter. It will open home page of Jenkins. My net is a bit slow, so it is taking some amount of time. Let's wait for that time. Once it is open, you will be able to see this is a Jenkins dashboard, and here you can see all the projects that for whom the jobs needs to be done are present over here. And to create a new item or to create new projects, we can create it from here. As I have already done a minor project to explain you about Jenkins, so it is over here, but when you will firstly install it, you will not see anything over here. So what I need to do is I need to go to manage Jenkins, then I need to click on configure system, and on clicking on it, I need to go to Java installations and click on Java installations, and here I need to give my Java home variable, that is path of my JDK folder. So I have already given it that it has Java home, and the path I have given it as, which is my JDK path, and then you need to apply and save it, and then need to save it. And when it is saved, it will give a pop-up of being saved. So Jenkins basic is done. Now we need to go to the project which we need to run it for Jenkins. I have already created a demo project for you known as Jenkins demo. It's a simple project. Here it is a Jenkins demo project. Inside it we have demo Jenkins package, and inside it we have a demo.java testng class file. And in testng class file and @test, I have simply written system.out.print welcome to Jenkins. And here I have testng.xml file, in which with the help of which I would be running my demo.java class. Let's see what's in testng.xml file. In testng.xml file, we are simply running demo Jenkins demo in this class file. Let's see if it is working or not. I will just right click on it and I will run as testng suite. Then I will see the output on the console, that whether it is running successfully or not. See, see in console it is successfully running. Now what I need to do is that I need to run this testng.xml file via command prompt, and then need to integrate it with Jenkins. So first, for that I first need to go on the path where this particular project is there. For that I will click right click over here and go to properties, and then go to resources, and then just copy its location from here and open that location in my another folder. I will just paste over here and open this in my folder. When I will open my folder, I will be able to see this structure. This run.bat file would not be there, so let's delete, because I've already done it for you, so I have to delete. I will again create this run.bat file to show you how exactly this is there. So I will delete these files. So now I am able to see that this is a basic structure of my Jenkins.demo project. So what's missing in this project, that I have not specified which libraries I am using. So I will just create a library folder and put all the jar files which I am using in my particular project under it, so that it is easily accessible. I have already created a lib folder in my desktop in which I have stored all the lib files or all the jar files which are needed to run this test case. So I will just copy and paste it over there. So you can basically see that I have pasted Selenium standalone jar for jar file in it, and testng jar. These two are basic jar files that are needed to run my code. So I will copy this lib file from here. Copy this lib file from here and paste it on in my root of my project. Then what I need to do is that I need to run this testng.xml file with a .bat extension file. So for that I need to create a file, new text document, and I will open that text document from here, and I have to paste a certain code over here. Let me copy and paste the code, then I will explain in that code. This is the code that I will be using: java-cp bin semicolon lib slash asterisk org testng.xml. This is not a rocket science. This is a very simple code in which I am setting the class path of my project as in bin and in lib directory. In bin directory, basically we would be containing demo.class file which we need to run, and in lib directory we would be containing all my jars which need to be run for that. So this is what we need to write in that particular notepad, and org testng capital testng.xml will just run that testng.xml that is present under my this home folder. Now I need to go save as this document as a bat file. I will go and save as from here. Just keep a point in remember that we have to put over here run.bat, and that too in double quotes, and then save it. When I will do such thing, then I will be able to see that run.bat file is created over here. When I will double click on it, then we would be able to see that this bat file just runs testng.xml in command prompt and then stops. Let's double click on it and see what happens. Say I'm double clicking on it. On double clicking, I would be seeing that it will be running this testng.xml file, and it will be welcome to Jenkins and close down. Now what I need to do is that run this run.bat file from Jenkins. For that I need to create a new job in Jenkins. So for that I will go to dashboard of Jenkins and I will create a new item, and a new item I will give this item name as Jenkins 1 test and create it as freestyle project, and then click on OK. On clicking on OK, we would see that a new window appears. Here I need to give a configuration of Jenkins. What I will have to do, I will go down and I will go down and I will click on advanced button, and in that I will be using custom workspace, and in this directory I need to give my project directory, what which is this project directory. I will copy and paste it over here and give this directory as name, demo directory, demo, and click on apply. This thing is saved. Now another important thing, I need to go to build tab, and in that there are different types of things which Jenkins can execute. As we have created a bash command, I will click on it and give my run.bat over here, so it will fetch this run.bat from this particular directory and run it. And now then I will click on apply, and then I will click on save, and then I will again click on apply. So this build is now created. Now I will go back to dashboard and see that this particular job has been created or not. See, this job has been created. Now I will look in this job, and I will build it by clicking on build now. On clicking on build now, you would be able to see that build is being started. If I have to view what is build, I will click on this build number, and I will go to console output, and in console output I would be seeing that whatever is done by this particular Jenkins, and this is in success. This is all about the Jenkins integration with Selenium. This is a very brief introduction. I will cover it in detail in my further tutorials. Thank you.